Let's divide 164 by 2. Hey super math stars. Sparkles, if you're having fun learning with me, give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start dividing 164 by 2. We look at the first digit of 164, which is 1. We need to see how many times 2 fits into 1. Since 2 is bigger than 1, it doesn't fit at all, so we put a 0 above the 1. 0 times our divisor 2 is 0. We write 0 below the 1. Now we subtract 0 from 1, which leaves us with 1. Great start, you're doing awesome. We bring down the next digit, 6, to make 16. Now we have 16. Let's see how many times 2 fits into 16. We bring down the next digit, 6, to join the remainder 1, making it 16. Think of your 2 times tables. 2 times what equals 16? It's 8. Let's check. 8 multiplied by 2 is indeed 16. Perfect. We subtract 16 from our 16 and guess what? We get 0. Woohoo, you're crushing it, no remainder this time. Let's bring down the last digit, 4, to make our next number. Last step, we have 4. How many times does 2 go into 4? We bring down the 4 next to the 0, making it just 4. You got this, 2 fits into 4 exactly 2 times. Let's multiply. 2 times 2 equals 4, exactly what we have. Subtract 4 from 4 and we have 0 left. We're all done. Amazing job, you solved it like a math whiz. We've divided all the digits and our answer is 82. So 164 divided by 2 equals 82. We just learned how to divide 164 by 2, step by step. Remember, even tricky problems become simple when we break them down. Keep practicing and you'll be a long division superstar. Great job, everyone. Keep exploring and learning on Let's Stud. See you next time.